of a funny?
I take care of it. Look after them. Why, I even have the money. And I go to some other wakes whenever I have the time. But let's talk about you, hmm? I know you want to get ahead. Here you have a bright future if you apply yourself. I will, sir. Now about Shane. Don't worry. I reported it to the police. They'll contact me as soon as they have news about them.
Dad? Bad news, Dad. We've been checking everywhere. Not a trace of them.
Ah, you're a fool. Can't you carry out my orders? I give you just a simple task, and you can't even do it.
Yeah, we did all we could, really.
Well, try again. Follow orders. Look till you find them.
Excuse me. I'd better go now.
All right, Chang. You tell the men not to worry. We'll clear this town inside out. I'm sure we'll find them.
Yes, we better. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Well, this was a close call. We've got to be more cautious in our operations. He's not buying our story. So keep a close watch on him. Even in his sleep.
Oh, okay, Dad. Yes, boss. Okay, come here. Got news. I'm bringing that girl that we talked about the other day.
Oh,
She's just what you need.
I suppose. Why don't you bring her tonight? Yes. Why not?